Hi guys, here is a quick video about the mod I did on my CB1000R. Let's start with the exhaust. This exhaust is a MiV MK3 painted in black. At the rear you can see I slightly modified the plate under, excuse me, French guy speaking. It's an S2 concept license plate under, so the purpose was to get rid about the plastic, the bulk plastic part at the rear of the bike, so I have no more fender. And I really don't care, since I don't really drive anymore when it's raining. One other change I did is this rear brake fluid. Yes, I think I did change. I don't remember the brand, but I can put it in the comments once I'll find it back. One more change is here, as you can see, I have no more turn signals. I just removed them and I change the rear headlight for one with the integrated turn signals. Let me show you about it. The other mods I did, as you can see, the seat is a custom one, the paint job, obviously, the grips, the mirrors. The mirrors are from Moto gadget. It's 100% made out of alloy, so no glass at all, as you can see. I don't remember if I told you about that, but it's CB1000R Black Edition. Yes, sorry, Black Edition. And I changed the new stock headlight because I literally hate the new one. I hate the horseshoe shape of the new one, so I decided to go back to the old one. So it was kind of tricky to do, since I had some wiring to do. The connector aren't the same. So what I did is actually I created kind of cable in order to make a gateway, let's say, between the bike wiring and the headlight, and I have to change some more things on the headlight itself. It's not that easy to do, to be honest. This is not the most complicated thing I did on my bike, but I just put some, this rubber thing all around the clutch cable in order to hide it. And once again, because I didn't tell you about how I did this. Actually, I will put it in the comment, but I did it thanks to a guy, I don't remember his name, but he did some cool video about some mod on his CB1000R, and he used something called Sugru, SUGRU. It's something, I don't know English for that, but it's something you can, you can play with, and you can give it the shape you want. This was my finger. And once it gets dry, it will, the shape won't move anymore, and it can take some time given the amount of sulfur you use. And in order to make what I did for in order to fill the hole of my turn signals, it took me something like, if I remember well, not one full week, but not that far. Well, that's it. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. And well, ride safe, bye guys.